In this video, I'll be showing you 7 great websites to find remote jobs. No matter where you are, you will have a chance to land a quality remote position on any of these websites. I'll guide you on how to get started. I'll also cover a common mistake that many people make when applying for remote jobs, which can lead to fewer responses. I'll help you avoid this pitfall to improve your chances. You've probably never heard of them before. My name is Charles. Let's go. The first leading website is Combinator. Now, this website has tons of startups. In fact, it's even a step beyond because it's basically a startup directory. All kinds of tech startups are listed on his website along with their job posting. All right, to apply for a remote job, you will need to sign up on the Combinator site, but don't worry, it's a quick thing. Just sign up and they'll ask some like basic information, basic info stuff, KYC, and then you'll be able to access their job board. You'll find roles in marketing, engineering, sales, and more, and other types of roles. And again, if you're looking for something quick and you don't want to go through the long interview process, startups are the way to go. Unlike bigger companies that make you jump through stage 1, stage 2, stage 4 till stage 5, it's just crazy. So with startup is mostly straightforward because you might be talking directly to the founder, and the next thing you know, boom, you're hired. Now, there's a mistake people make when applying for remote jobs like this, but before I share it, let's look at the next job site, which is TrulyRemote.co. Now, this platform is not popular, which honestly I think is an advantage for you. Now, one thing that sets TrulyRemote apart is that they send out weekly job alerts based on your specific interest. So if you're into sales, marketing, design, whatever, you'll find job roles here. If you scroll down here, you'll see the job roles that they have. You can see senior product designer, voice associates. All these are remote positions, remote roles. So let's scroll down to the bottom. So here you can sign up for weekly job alerts. What you're going to do is to select the field, for example, marketing, operations, product, whatever, and then enter your email address and click on subscribe to get weekly job alerts. One thing you need to consider with applying for jobs like this is the time zone requirements. So open the job listing and check the time zone. This is very important. Check this time zone that you're expected to work in. A lot of people just make this mistake. After they have gotten a remote job, they start complaining that they cannot work in the middle of the night, blah, blah, blah. You might be able to work from anywhere, but some companies expect you to match their work hours. Like if you're based in West Africa and you're applying for a US job that requires you to work in US hours, get ready for some midnight shift. So you have to work from evenings till early in the morning. So keep an eye on the hiring locations if time zones matter to you. Subscribe if you haven't. There are lots of helpful videos on this channel. Hit the like button and, like I said, subscribe so you don't miss out. Before I share another mistake you should avoid when applying for jobs, let's look at the next website. It's called Wellfound.com, formerly known as Angel List. Now, this website focuses heavily on startups, just like Combinator. And if you want to get hired fast, you want to apply to startup companies. Startups hire faster, okay? But here's the problem. The problem with startup companies is you might get to do a bit of everything in the company. You might be wearing multiple hats, jumping from marketing to sales, different things, just shifting hats here and there. But the upside to startup is that they are flexible, and this type of working gives you a wider scope of experience, which can be beneficial to your career. So if you're looking to get in quick, Wellfound is the way to go. Just click on for job seekers and then you'll see the jobs that are available here. All right, create your profile and then apply for jobs. You can see different jobs here, startup jobs that you can easily apply for. Now, here's a little pro tip for you. If you're outside the US, like if you're in Nigeria, South Africa, anywhere else, don't limit yourself to just remote jobs in the US. Look for positions that are remote everywhere. That way you're casting your nets wider, right? You're not just missing out on other opportunities. Now, the next website has a lot of quality jobs. The website is WeWorkRemotely.com. I love this platform because it's serious about quality. To post a job on WeWorkRemotely, you have to pay $299. So these companies, they are not just posting things. They have to spend money to put their jobs here. So that means you see that the companies that post jobs here are serious. They're investing money into finding the right person for the job. And it's not just any company. We are talking Google, Amazon, and other big players. So here you get to choose your field here. All right, you can choose your field and search for the field here, and you'll see different job postings. So if you scroll down here, you can see different jobs here: digital marketer, brand strategist, sales development representative, and there are different types of job: content creator, TikTok shop manager, social media manager, email marketing manager, specialist. So there are tons of jobs available here. Assistant media buyer. So all these jobs are remote, and these companies are serious in hiring when it comes to hiring people. So if you're looking for high quality legitimate job, this is a great place to start. And just like TrulyRemote, you can filter by position and check out any location requirements. For example, if you're interested in design, you can find tons of options here. If you're interested in UI UX, some companies might ask you to be in a certain time zone, but there are plenty that don't care about it. They don't care where you're based, but some will require that, oh, you have to be in a particular time zone that matches their time zone. WeWorkRemotely is a solid choice for those people that are looking for stability and legit opportunities. Just keep applying, and who knows, you might be called for an interview. Now, there's this mistake people make. Most of the time when you're invited for an interview, you'll be required to turn on your camera. Do not attend an interview looking unkempt or improperly dressed. Even if it's a remote job, you have to be prepared. You have to dress smart, look good. You can even wear a suit, okay? First impression matters. You want to give a first impression that sticks. Sometimes you wonder why you didn't get that job. You're prepared. You've done everything. Your first impression should stand out. Few months ago, I was hiring someone to join my marketing team. I was interviewing this lady, and the first impression knocked me off. I was like, what the hell is going on here? You came to an interview with a bra-like top lying on the bed. The lady came to an interview, video camera turned on, and she was wearing a bra-like thing, while lying on the bed. I was like, are you even serious? Do you even need this job, or are you, here to seduce me? It's crazy how people think. And of course, I just told her, unfortunately, I can't go ahead with this call, and that was the end. So you want to dress smart, not just ladies, guys too. I was on an interview with this guy, and when he turned on his camera, he was standing outside holding his phone up, and kids were just running all around. He couldn't even blur his background. He couldn't use an image as a background, and the kids were just playing outside. They are making noise, car sound noises. A lot was just going on. I had the interview with the guy, and he performed well, but the thing that put me off was his inability to control his environment. It just showed that he's not big on privacy, and might be that person that just answers work call on the road, car, or anywhere, which is not ideal in terms of privacy and all of that. If you have an interview, make sure you are in a private place. If your background is not okay, blur it, add an image to the background. All right, subscribe if you haven't, like and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to watch anytime I post a new video. Now, before I share the next mistake people make when applying for a remote job, let's look at the next website. Now, this next one is a bit of an underground secret, and honestly, I can't believe that I'm even telling you this, because not a lot of people know about this platform, SimplyHired.com. Now, this website has remote jobs, freelance work, and local opportunities. The site goes beyond just showing you listings. It has this crazy smart way of bringing up roles you wouldn't even think to look for, but that fit you perfectly. It also has salary estimates, which is like a little insider peek at what you could be earning. You're not just looking at jobs, you're getting a full picture, like how much you're going to be making, what the role is about, and even a hint of what it's like to work there. So if you click on all jobs, you're going to see different types of jobs, and if you click on work from home, you'll see the jobs that are available here. Now, there are different types of jobs: appointment maker, software developer, AI trainer, senior workforce. So there are different kinds of jobs that you wouldn't believe that are there. You can see this is a remote job, and they are paying $27,000 to $32,000 or pounds. So let's say you find a job that you want to apply to and you don't have a resume. SimplyHired has a resume builder that can help you build your resume fast. And also, applying for a job here is quite easy. Just click on apply, and you can see quick apply. Click on quick apply. That's it. Like I said before, you have to be prepared. Even even if it's a remote job. Don't give your interviewers the reason to think that you're not serious or you're not a good fit for the job. A few months back, I was interviewing this guy, and when he turned on his camera, I could see he was at his current workplace because of the background. I could see people walking, and he was hiding at a corner to make the call. I was like, oh, you're at work? And he said, yes, he's at the job and he doesn't want to go to the office again, that is stressful, that he wants a fully remote job. And I was like, okay, why did you choose to have the interview in your work hours, even after you were given options to choose the time for the interview, which stretches up to 8 p.m. I was like, oh, I shouldn't worry that they won't hear him. And I was like, maybe this guy doesn't know that it's an interview. He was just showing me exactly what he can do to my business when I gave him the job. And that was the height of unseriousness for me. See, your interview is not just based on what you know, it's everything about you, your behavior, your attitude, and other things. Your knowledge and experience is just something, it's just a part of it, it's not everything. Nobody wants to bring on board the liability, so try to be prepared and be self-aware. It is very important. Moving on to the next hidden website, which is GrabJobs.co. Now, the great thing about this site is the one-click apply feature that lets you apply for jobs very fast. You don't need to answer lots and lots of questions. And then there's this automated chat feature that lets you complete the interview process weekly. All right, now if you click on find jobs, click on remote jobs, you see all the jobs that are available. All these jobs are remote jobs. I can see how much they are paying for this. This is remote HR job and it's remote work from home, so you can just check it out. Now the next website, this one is kind of popular. In fact, I hire people from LinkedIn. For me, it's easier, you know. I just look at your profile, chat you up, and send you an invite for an interview. LinkedIn is one of the best platforms to find remote jobs. There are two ways to do this. The first one is tempting with thousands of people doing it. Go to jobs, click on filter, and then filter it to remote jobs, and then apply directly using Easy Apply. Pro tip, don't just apply directly through LinkedIn's Easy Apply feature. I know it's tempting because it's very easy just to apply. You can see the Easy Apply, just click on Easy Apply and you'll apply straight up. But don't do that because it's super saturated with a lot of people doing it. If you do that, your application might get lost in the mix. I'm not saying it doesn't work. It works, but your CV has to be really good. Instead of using the Easy Apply, you can use the second method, which is networking. Let me explain. Learn how to network. Look for recruiters on LinkedIn and send them a message. Pitch recruiters, make genuine connections, comment on their posts, and engage with content. Basically, just get yourself noticed. Yeah, LinkedIn is a big one if you're looking to get remote work, but remember, it's all about how you use it. I know people say LinkedIn doesn't work for them, but I think the big reason why LinkedIn doesn't work for some people is that they don't really know how to use it right. You can't just sign up, throw up a profile, and hope to get the best. You need to brand your LinkedIn profile in a way that fits what you're looking for. You need to say the right things, you need to connect with the right people, and show up consistently. Do that, and LinkedIn is serious gold. And here's a hack that can land you your next job. Combine the website I mentioned in the beginning of this video, from the beginning to the end. I mentioned Wellfound, Combinator, and some others. Combine those websites, find a company, for example, on Wellfound that is hiring, and then take that company name and head over to LinkedIn and search for the team members. Look for whoever might be in charge of hiring for your role, like the hiring manager, the human resource consultant, or the head of marketing if you're going for marketing role, and reach out to them directly. When everyone else is going this way, you go the other way. That's how you stand out. You know, if you want to make an impression, you need to do something that makes you different. You need to show yourself, you need to show up. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel. There are lots and lots of helpful videos on this channel. Like this video and share this video to someone that you know is looking for a job. All right, help someone and share them information that will help their life. So don't stop here. My next video is packed with more insights. Go ahead and watch it.